Welcome. I am Dr. Neva with Nevalliance, and today I'm going to discuss the topic of business credit. Why? Because it's one of the popular things that I hear from especially new business owners. They want to build business credit, but they simply don't know where to start. So I'm going to go over the basic steps. It's not really in depth, but just to touch the surface for you to have an idea so that when you get started, you know what to do. Now, in order for you to establish business credit, you should have a business, right? No brainer. We know this. So, whether you have an LLC, an LLP, partnership, or S Corp, C Corp, you should have a business. You should have an EIN number where you get that from the IRS at no cost. It's free now, of course, if you're out of the country and you need to do that service, mean that you're an international person, you will need most likely to get assistance in getting your EIN number. But that is another topic, right, for another day. So with building business credit, it is recommended that you register your company with Dun and Bradstreet, which is getting a DUNS number. Now, even with doing that, you can subscribe and pay a monthly amount where they assist you in building your business credit that basically building credentials, right, about your business. Now, with that said, I always recommend that my clients open a business account. Now, of course, you need to have money going in and out of your account, right? So you need to really try to get a business that is functional, making sure that you're making money. But I recommend opening a business account if you're definitely trying to establish credit. So you need to do your homework to see which bank is best for you based on your needs and wants. Once you open your business bank account, you will apply for a business credit card. Now, initially, when you try to open this business credit card, they're going to ask for your social security number. They're not going to just register the business bank account with an EIN number. That is included, but the account is based initially off of your personal account because you have not yet established a business credit. Okay, so with that, you're able to start building your credit with that card, paying on time, just as you would do if this was your personal credit that you are trying to build. There are companies out there that you can open a business account with a credit, like a business credit card, so you're able to build credit. So you have like Amazon, you could open a business account with Amazon. You have like Home Depot, right? So people that deal with home improvement or anything like that, you have Home Depot. And there are a lot of other companies that can assist with doing this. All right. So basically, when I say assist, opening an account with them can help you build your credit. There's a company that a few of my clients have used. It's called Neva.com. You could look into it. You'll have to pay, of course, in order for you to build your credit, but that is assist individuals that I've worked with or know to build their business credit. Again, it's important that you stay up on making your payments and all that great stuff. Now, why you want to build business credit, of course, is that you can make purchases such as a car. Now, I know people thinking, okay, once I open a business account, now I can put that car automatically in the business name. Now, if you are trying to get it financed, a financial company for the car that's associated with the car will ask that you have your account, not your account, I'm so sorry, your LLC, your corporation, whatever that it is, over 1 year, sometimes 2 years. I see 2 years that they use as a marker before they can put this car in your name, right? And of course, there's an advantage in having a car, leased vehicle, or a purchased vehicle in the business name because of tax breaks and tax purposes. All right. The next, of course, people purchase homes into the corporation. Now, in order for you to get finance from the house, in order for you to get finance for the house, of course, for your business, you'll have to have established already a business credit. So it's a step simply like how you started your personal credit. It will take some time to develop, but it can get done. And of course, with everything, do your homework. All right, that is all that I have for now. No, I do not personally build your business credit, but I do give you the information to guide you to where to go and what to do in our different trainings that we have from our different experts. All right, well, that is it. I hope you have a takeaway and this was valuable to you. You can learn more about Nevalliance at nevalliance.com.